Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect Koodo Internet. First, take your Koodo modem and the cables that came inside the box. Now locate the coaxial cable outlet on your wall. This is the round cable connection usually used for internet or cable TV service. Take the provided coaxial cable and connect one end to the wall outlet. Then connect the other end to the cable or RF port on the back of your Koodo modem. Tighten both ends using your fingers so the cable is secure. Next, take the power adapter and plug it into the power port on the back of the modem. Plug the other end into an active wall power outlet. The modem should turn on automatically. After turning it on, look at the indicator lights on the front of the modem. The lights will begin flashing while the modem connects to the Koodo network. This process normally takes between 2 and 5 minutes. Wait until you see 2 solid blue lights and the Wi-Fi light turned on. This means your modem is fully connected and ready to use. Now find the sticker on the back or bottom of the modem. You will see the Wi-Fi network name, also called the SSID, and the default Wi-Fi password. On your phone or any other device, open the Wi-Fi settings. Select the Wi-Fi network name shown on the modem sticker and enter the password exactly as written. Once connected, your device will have access to the internet through your Koodo modem. Thanks for watching.